Good morning, friends. You may be knowing the political turmoil in Rajasthan. So, Mr. Sachin Pilot, the Deputy Chief Minister, he rebelled against the present Chief Minister, Shri Ashok Gehlot. And of course, there was some counting of numbers and there was some meeting by the Congress party for which Sachin Pilot did not attend. And according to the anti-defection law, Schedule 10 of the Constitution of India, they have the Speaker of the Assembly, they sent notices to Sachin Pilot, and now Sachin Pilot and 18 others MLAs who rebelled against Ashok Gehlot, they have approached the Rajasthan High Court so against to the order of the Speaker. So just here the point is, please remember, the Speaker sent notices to them, that's all. He did not give any decision. Now we have to discuss anti-defection law, which was envisaged in Schedule 10 of the Constitution of India. So during the reign of Rajiv Gandhi, the culture of Ayaram, Gayaram was going on, and he wanted to put a full stop to them. Therefore, he brought the anti-defection law into existence. But the point is, this is also a toothless act, because the entire ball will be thrown into the Speaker's court, and the Speaker has to decide the matter. And the Speaker, there is no time frame, there is no time limit for the Speaker to decide over the matter. And we have been seeing the political incidents where the people who defect from one party, they will be actually allowed to the other party, they will be continued in the party till 3 to 4 years, and without taking any action on them, the Speaker will resign from his office. And one step forward, Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao of Telangana, he stated that defection is a part of the politics and defections will be better. When once the other party people also come into join my party, there will be no opposition. That's all. Straight away he has spoken like that. But it is not worthy or valuable. Anyway, defection law should be there. But defection, how they will define the so-called defection? So here the main point they have taken is voluntarily giving up the membership. So in this point, section 2 clause 1, they have raised the topic and they have given the notice. So the incident is that the Congress party wanted to hold some general body meeting, and for that a whip was given, for which Sachin Pilot and others, they did not attend. This is the main cause. So since they did not attend, they wanted to voluntarily give up their membership to the political party. Of course, the intention may be to join the rival party, maybe BJP or some other things like that. That is a political issue. Now we will discuss only the legal matters. We don't want to go into the political affairs. We are not interested. Right. Now, Sachin Pilot and others, they filed a petition before Rajasthan High Court. So they wanted to get a stay order on the notice issued by the Speaker. In this connection, we have to remember the case of 28 years back story, 1992 I believe. It is a very famous case, celebrated case, and you have to remember this case. This case is famously called as Kihoto Holohan. Kihoto Holohan versus Jakilu, Zachalllu. So please go to the internet and study the case, right? So Kihoto Holohan and Jakilu and others, in this case, they have stated that the order of the so-called Speaker will be under judicial review. Yes, definitely, even though it is a Speaker has got so much of inherent powers, but the decision will be subject to judicial review, right? So this judicial review will take place only after the Speaker gives his decision. But prior to the making of a decision by the Speaker or Chairman of the Council of States, Deputy Chairman of the Council of States, and in the meantime, action could not be permissible. The High Court or Supreme Court, normally they cannot interfere. So the interference by the court may not be permissible. Of course, because it is only interlocutory stage of the proceedings. But if when they are permissible, the only exception for the interference is when there is grave, immediate and irreversible repercussions. When the court expects that the repercussions will be serious and the consequences will be grave and the things will go irreversible way. Therefore, in such a case, the court can interfere. But normally, this case says that this judgment says that unless the speaker gives the so-called decision, the speaker decision, the judicial review is not possible, and the Supreme Court or the Honorable High Court may not interfere. Right? So now the situation you have understood. Anyway, Rajasthan High Court he has given a direction to the Speaker of Rajasthan Assembly not to take any action till 21st, since they have posted the matter to 21st. Of course, they will decide whether any grave, irreversible, immediate repercussions will be there. Then only they will act. Otherwise, they will go for judicial review after the decision is given. Right? So that's why this case is more important. So you may be knowing the background of the case already. I have told you. Deputy CM Sachin Pilot and the 18 others MLAs who were issued notices under anti-defection law, they have approached the High Court and they have challenged the constitutionality of Section 2, Clause 1, Clause A of the 10th schedule, which makes voluntarily giving up the membership of a political party as a disqualification. So in this case, I want to tell you, even for judicial review also, judicial review will be given not on the order, only on the circumstances how the order was passed, on the circumstances as to what is the necessity and how they acted. That is only more important. If the circumstances are not satisfactory, then only they will go to the main order and get it nullified. Right? So this Kihoto Holohan versus Jakilu, it was mentioned in a very good number of cases, just like Devaraj Ars case, yes, that Bombay, SR Bombay case, SR Bombay versus a very famous case. So floor test, the speaker's decision on the floor, the group, whether the person has got absolute majority or not, it has to be tested on the floor. This is this decision was given by in the famous case of SR Bombay versus United India. Like this, this Kihoto Holohan versus Jakulo, it stands as a good example to say that the judiciary will not interfere before the speaker decides over the matter. That's why it has come in because Sachin Pilot others approached, I have been remembered of this case. Anyway, please just have a look towards this famous case and enrich your legal knowledge, because in Constitution this is one of the best cases besides SR Bombay case. Thank you.